Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Diablo II Resurrected offline, updated. Start by installing the game, applying the offline patch, and configuring settings to launch without internet. I'll walk you through selecting the right executable, changing launcher options, and editing minimal config files for stable play. You will learn how to back up saves, test launches safely, and prevent common connection checks from blocking your session. Configure offline play by disabling Cloud Sync and choosing a local profile in the launcher. Next, edit the game's shortcut or config to use the local executable and bypass online checks. If needed, create a simple firewall rule to prevent the game from reaching online servers while you play. After changes, launch and confirm your character and inventory persist between sessions for reliable single-player action. If you hit errors, start by verifying the game files in your client and restarting your computer. Remove or disable mods that may conflict with offline behavior and test a clean install if problems persist. Confirm save folder permissions so the game can write progress and keep a manual backup just in case. These steps usually resolve launch crashes, missing assets, or save corruption in offline sessions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.